Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I have got an Anglo-Saxon spork, a spoon and fork. Now, the background to this is that the Romans used to eat with forks, and then I thought that it just completely stopped and disappeared from the archaeological record until about 1450, when some smart Italian decided to start eating with a fork again. We cooked with them, but we didn't seem to eat with them, or so I thought. And I was going on about this for a while, and then I found out that there is an Anglo-Saxon spork. There's actually two of them. I don't think there's any more than that. And there's nothing between, I'm going to say, the year 1000 and about 1450 that I know of. Tell me if you know different. But anyway, so this is an Anglo-Saxon spork. So quite obviously, a fork on one end, a spoon on the other. The length dictates that it could possibly be a cooking implement. But maybe it's not. Maybe it's for cooking. Maybe it's for eating. I don't know. I don't suppose they're around for us to ask them. But either way, it's cast in brass, lovely little bit of detailing, fully functional. So the Anglo-Saxon spork.